In the heart of India's capital, Delhi, the Military Engineer Services is responsible for ensuring efficient infrastructure management at Delhi Cantonment. Thanks to CIMCON Automation's IoT-based solution, the water supply system in this township is now fully automated, eliminating the need for human intervention. This transformation guarantees uninterrupted service and optimized water management across the Military Engineer Services. Our advanced system is deployed across key locations, including Shankar Vihar, Old Vihar, New VRC, Yogindar Vihar, Anuj Vihar, and Vikram Vihar pump houses. Spanning 6 critical sites, with 17 water tanks and 27 pumps, CIMCON system efficiently distributes water to over 4,000 households. All these facilities are seamlessly managed through CIMCON's centralized SCADA server, ensuring a smarter, more reliable water network. Let's take a closer look at the technology and innovation driving this transformation. RTU PLC panels. These panels are the brains of the operation, ensuring real-time data acquisition and process control. VFD panels, variable frequency drive panels, optimize pump operations, saving energy and reducing wear and tear. Flow meters monitor water usage with pinpoint accuracy, enabling efficient resource management. Pressure transmitter ensure consistent water pressure across the system. Ultrasonic level sensors and radar level transmitter. These instruments precisely measure water levels, ensuring tanks are neither overfilled nor underfilled. AMR water meter, automatic meter reading water meters provide centralized, accurate consumption data. All this data is collected and managed through CIMCON's WebScanet platform at the centralized SCADA server room. This advanced system enables real-time monitoring and control, ensuring rapid responses to any potential issues and delivering a seamless water supply system for the township. CIMCON Automation, transforming water management with cutting-edge technology, ensuring efficiency, reliability, and peace of mind for the MES military township at Delhi Cantonment.
Hi, my name is Nuruddin and I'm working as Garrison Engineer Utility Water Supply Delhi Cantonment. Primarily I'm looking after the water supply, the sewage treatment plant, rainwater harvesting and other rain and water related services here. And I have worked earlier in the MES for around 12 years and this is my first water supply SCADA project which has been executed in the Shankar Vihar area. One of the most impressive part of the system is the SCADA system. Now we can monitor and control everything remotely just using a web browser. Whether I'm at site or far away or I'm sitting in my office, I've got the system over there and I can monitor the system in that system here. And it is made sure that everything is working properly.
With automation, human intervention is eliminated, ensuring reliability and accuracy. With CIMCON system, energy consumption is reduced by 30 to 40%, saving valuable resources. Enhanced pump efficiency by 20 to 25% means better water management and reduced wastage. Uninterrupted water supply for over 20,000 plus residents across 3 square kilometers. Thanks to CIMCON's cutting-edge IoT-based SCADA system, Delhi Cantt now enjoys a robust and efficient water supply solution, a future-ready township, setting a benchmark for sustainable water management. Explore how CIMCON can transform your water management systems.